In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view templates in Odoo. Whether you're new to Odoo or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to access and manage templates is a crucial part of getting the most out of this powerful platform. First, we'll need to enable developer mode. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. It's easier than you might think, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and ease. Enabling developer mode is important because it unlocks additional settings and options that are otherwise hidden within Odoo. These options give you the ability to make deeper customizations and optimizations to suit your business needs. To start, head over to the Settings tab. This is where all the magic happens when you want to tweak your Odoo experience. Once you're in Settings, scroll down the page. On the way, you may notice various options and configurations. Feel free to explore these later, as they offer more advanced adjustments for your Odoo environment. For now, our focus remains on locating the developer mode option. Keep scrolling until you see the button labeled Activate Developer Mode. Clicking this will switch Odoo into a mode that provides enhanced access and control. Once developer mode is enabled, you'll notice changes in the interface that indicate a more advanced setup, such as additional menus and advanced configuration options. This is exactly what we need to proceed with viewing your templates. Now, with developer mode activated, we'll use Odoo's powerful search capabilities to zero in on the templates. In the search bar, type View All Templates. Odoo's robust search function will pull up different settings and tools related to templates. It's designed to be intuitive and multifunctional, streamlining the process and saving you time as opposed to manually sifting through loads of files and folders. Once you press Enter, you should see an option that says View All Templates. Go ahead and click on this, and it will take you directly to the list of all the templates available in your Odoo instance. Here you can view existing templates, which are the backbone of various features and processes within Odoo, including automated emails, reports, and more. At this point, you've successfully navigated to the heart of Odoo's template management. You can explore this list, understand how each template functions, and even make any necessary adjustments tailored to your requirements if needed. Remember, having the ability to view and manage templates gives you more control over automating processes and customizing the way Odoo interacts with your business modules. And there you have it. You've now learned how to view templates in Odoo. Feel free to continue exploring the platform in developer mode, taking advantage of the extra functionalities it offers. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials that will help you harness the full potential of Odoo. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.